And the first day of Skooliepalooza.
Woohoo! Woohoo! This is how Kana is every morning. Hey, buddy. Want a belly rub?
Still way too early.
Yesterday we had to evacuate Skooliepalooza in California and make our way to Ehrenberg in Arizona. Along the way we had like hundreds of skoolies and vans making their way to the new location. So that was very interesting. But we finally made it to Arizona. Everybody's starting to settle in, and now things are calming down and Skooliepalooza 2.0 has begun. And Hollis and I are anxious to get out there and start looking at some of these buses. They're quirky, they're luxurious, they're just out there. So we want to see what they look like inside.
Even days after we started, people are still coming, trying to find a spot. This is literally out of control in a very good way. So this is where they had it last year. I think this is actually a much better place than in Parker, Arizona. This area is not as spread out as in Parker. So I really feel like this is such a community. Having a good time?
Yeah, there's so many cool buses here. The Ripple bus is here. Remember I said I wanted to see that?
Yeah.
Just huge. It's the bus that's right here. See the one with the multi-levels behind me?
Yeah.
That's it.
I guess that's pretty much what you have to do in Skooliepalooza. Just walk around and see what other people have. And it's all interesting.
I never expected to be a bus fan by coming to this, but I'm kind of sold. Down the road when ours wears out, we'll just get a bus. It's the Ruth Bader Ginsbus. I love it.
Really?
This one is one of my favorites. It's so creative. I would have that. You're either gonna go amazing or you're gonna go just who gives a crap, living a skoolie. I love it.
This is so genius.
Yeah. You can just saw the bus off.
Ah.
Attached the back up towards the middle and left the rest open and did some metal work on it so he could haul his toys. When I walked by here earlier, there was a dune buggy sitting here.
Where's the dune buggy?
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's go in. Hello.
You know, I like the industrial.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta have tunes, you gotta have a recliner, and you know, you got a fridge, a stove. Here's the pooper right here. You know, these are called thumbs. So they're toy haulers built from municipal buses.
Oh.
So that's why they call them thumbs.
I never heard that
and
before. Thank you for letting us have a tour.
Awesome. Come
Thank
by
you very
anytime.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
problem. See you, everybody.
Bye-bye.
I appreciate it. You got it? Okay.
Peace. I used to think that school is just more for like an older people, but we have a lot of different mix. There are a lot of younger ones and there are a lot of older ones too. Everything in between. So do you think schoolies are for hippies?
I used to when I was younger, but now it's not so much. Now I think schoolies more represent just getting away from everything and not letting other people control your life. If that's a hippie, I want to be a hippie. Right? I want to be a hippie.
What's her name?
Little Leaf?
Hey, Little Leaf. So cute. Is she okay with dogs?
It depends on how the dog is. Half by turning her head, but she won't do anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Of course, while Skooliepalooza itself implies to schoolies, which is buses, there are a lot of other vehicles other than schoolies, obviously. We're one of them. So there's a lot of other vans. They also open up for viewing.
This is super cute.
Thank you.
Can I take a picture? Did you do it yourself?
Myself, and I packed all my tools, hit the road, and then I built this guy now. She can't hear.
Oh.
I like it.
Oh, that looks good on you.
Yeah.
It does look good.
Yeah.
If you need a beanie,
Yeah, that's right.
Beyond wild.
Beyond wild.
you know what?
We've got some guy out here doing some motorized paragliding. It was so strange because we were sitting in the van going, what's that? It sounds like a transport truck on the highway with the air brakes, or, you know, something like a train or whatever. And then we come out, some guy basically riding a portable lawnmower.
Oh no, Kana. Can't go up there.
Brendan's over here in the party area.
Yeah, this is the footage from the party. These are like the fire dancers who were going at it.
They are having a pretty good time here. We just walked over to say hi.
Yeah, last night was the most people I've seen since COVID started in one place. It was absolutely fantastic.
Oh, we should say that Brendan's also from Canada, so...
Oh yeah, Ottawa,
so
Ontario.
A Canadian who's proud to be in America right now.
Oh, absolutely. Very pleased. Very pleased indeed.
It doesn't happen very often, so... they came down just for this, and we got to tour one of their vans there. They're the Bluenose bus, and I took a walk inside. I absolutely love their sofa.
You know, I'm so inspired. So many designs, a unique design that I would love to have in our van. People kind of build their decks on the top, on the back, on the side. They're just so creative. By having Galleria, it's nice to have nice features, but having like a converted buses or vans, they're like completely different levels.
I love this bus right here. It's very retro looking, and it's really cleaned up nice.
Would you call any buses Skoolies?
This is an old school bus.
Is it?
It's just a different style.
What year is the bus? It's
1976.
It's got that nice retro plastic.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Oh,
So we
wow.
have 2 7-foot couches, then it opens into a king-size bed. And the back's a garage, and when we're not using it for bikes, it's like our sunroom, breakfast room.
Geographically challenged.
Oh, made it to the right place.
And we found this fellow East Coaster, Heidi, and she's from North Carolina. And she just parked right in front of the main drag. You live here full time?
Yes, but I've only been on the road a week. So this is my house
This
now.
is your
so,
maiden voyage.
I love how she utilizes all these handicap entrance, and then look at that, like a front porch viewing, and you get like a day bed with Parker in it. Oh, good boy.
Oh, it's stylish too. Look at that.
It's so homey.
This is definitely yours.
Oh yeah.
Why is it all the bus have Vermont plates?
I have no idea. Maybe it's easier in Vermont to register your bus as an RV or something. Maybe that's why everybody goes there. No idea. No, this works out for you too.
Exactly.
Learn new things every day.
Yep. Whenever I was in a bus conversion as a kid, friends of my dad had them. They were basically bunk beds with a stove just to go out fishing in.
Yeah.
And now all these people with these conversions, you just assume because of the outside that they might look a certain way on the inside, but you go inside some of these things and they are just beautiful. Really well done woodwork.
Fun in.
Very cozy.
Yeah, it's very nice. I really like it. This year, there's our little kitchen.
So did yourself?
Yeah, we did all this ourselves. And we got our washroom here. I have a little wash
Oh,
machine.
nice.
See? These lights will come on, see? They come on like that.
Yeah.
They work there.
Yeah. Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, I mean, you can make them any color you like, right?
That's a different mood.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Pretty rad. And we both ride motorbikes. Our youngest son did this for us. Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing us. Yeah.
And they carry 150 gallons of water. Yeah, I wish we had 150 gallons of water. And one of the last rigs that we're going to look at are new friends of ours, Jimmy and Natalie. They recently quit their job about 5 or 6 months ago now, and they built this skoolie that you can see right behind us, and we're actually going to go in and take a look at what they've done, because Jimmy has done something actually really, really cool that I want to show everybody.
Kinda stay out here. Good girl.
So this is it.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Come on in.
How do you close the door?
Just like you would in a school bus.
Bye, Kinda.
It looks like you guys have cleaned up a bit. Honestly, this was this nice when we first got here. So tell us what you were doing. Like, why did you do this?
We were working jobs in Atlanta, Georgia, kind of just like the typical like office jobs, I guess you'd call it. I don't know, we just weren't getting the fulfillment we wanted, and spent about 2 years saving up money.
Plenty of time to change our minds, and we never did, so.
I find that all these buses look a whole lot cozier on the inside than they do on the outside, you know?
Yeah. When people come to see the bus, that's the first commentary we hear, is like they open up the bus and they walk inside and they go, oh wow, the interior is actually pretty nice in here.
I want to show you my favorite part of this van.
The bus.
Right.
The van.
Bus. My favorite part of this bus.
And so to give context, if you can see it over here, there's a couch and there's another seat here and it's facing the kitchen. And so we wanted to use the space a little bit more. So we actually put hinges on part of the countertop, and we can flip up and have a flip up television to watch from our couch. This was like project panel, and we bought 2 sheets for $20 each. So it was like $40 to do the entire countertop. Our large Dometic fridge, and so we just slide it out like that, and we can pop it open, and we have a fridge freezer combo.
It kind of just reminded us of like a fireplace in like a normal house.
Yeah.
That's the first thing we bought for the bus.
People love.
Okay. If you're in the middle of absolutely
Shower.
nowhere, you do that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you guys are driving, where do you sit, Natalie? Jimmy's driving, right?
I usually do drive.
Okay.
Most of the time. And then I sit right here. It's the original bus seat belt. Sometimes I do this whenever I go sit down to edit or something. I'll accidentally like hook myself in the seat belt just out of habit.
Come on, Michael. There you go.
A
Probably.
little product placement.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. What are they doing there? We keep like most of the outdoor stuff. So we've got a handicap door.
And who's gonna climb up to show the deck, Michael? I guess I'll do it.
I put my first foot there, and that works pretty well for me. And it's a little creaky, but that's okay. Yeah.
This is sturdy enough, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Stand up. There's so many awesome stuff that Jimmy and Natalie have in their van. Keep saying van. The bus. This is basically a deck that you can easily climb up if you have to. You can actually watch sunset like this, just to make people jealous, get the Instagram photos, things like that. You can see like rows and rows of whatever back there, buses, vans, vehicles. And this is where we park right here. That's them.
Olive,
Yeah.
it's not your balcony.
Jealous.
Come on down. Thanks again to Jimmy and Natalie for showing us their big green bus today. And I'm going to put a link to your channel down below so that you guys can go subscribe to them as well.
That's good. Yeah. Thanks for checking it out.
Those are some pretty amazing buses. And now it's time to really enjoy the community here by hanging out with new friends that we've met here.
This is dinner around the campfire. We had a bunch of potatoes and we cook it over the coal. It tastes really good. It feels just like camping. This is what we are here for. I assume that's an RV or somebody live in it, not just a Russian tank.
Thanks again to Jimmy and